FAQs about Sunshine Ligustrum. If you're thinking about adding Sunshine Ligustrum to your garden, you probably have a lot of questions about how to care for it. As someone who has grown and enjoyed this vibrant shrub, I'm happy to share my insights on some of the most frequently asked questions. See more 46 species in genus Ligustrum. Privet at monsterholic.com. Is Sunshine Ligustrum evergreen? Yes, Sunshine Ligustrum is an evergreen shrub. It retains its bright, glossy foliage year-round, making it a great choice for adding consistent color to your garden even in the winter months. The lush, yellow-green leaves provide a striking contrast to other plants and brighten up any landscape. When to prune Sunshine Ligustrum. The best time to prune Sunshine Ligustrum is in late winter or early spring before new growth begins. This timing helps ensure that you remove any dead or damaged branches and shape the plant for a more aesthetically pleasing look. Pruning before the growing season also encourages healthy, vigorous growth. How big does Sunshine Ligustrum get? Sunshine Ligustrum typically grows to a height of about 3 to 4 feet with a similar width. It's a compact shrub, which makes it ideal for smaller gardens or as a low hedge. However, with proper pruning, you can keep it at a smaller size if desired. How fast does Sunshine Ligustrum grow? Sunshine Ligustrum is known for its relatively fast growth rate. Under optimal conditions, you can expect it to grow about 12 to 18 inches per year. This rapid growth rate allows it to quickly fill in spaces and provide a lush, dense appearance. How to prune Sunshine Ligustrum. Pruning Sunshine Ligustrum involves removing any dead or damaged branches and shaping the shrub to maintain its desired form. Start by cutting back any overgrown or unruly stems to promote a fuller, bushier appearance. Use sharp, clean pruning shears to make clean cuts and avoid damaging the plant. How to plant Sunshine Ligustrum. Planting Sunshine Ligustrum is straightforward. Choose a location with well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight. Dig a hole that's twice as wide as the root ball and just as deep. Place the plant in the hole, making sure the top of the root ball is level with the soil surface. Fill in the hole with soil, water thoroughly, and mulch around the base to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Do giri Sunshine Ligustrum. Sunshine Ligustrum is generally considered deer-resistant. While no plant is entirely deer-proof, the bright foliage and tough leaves of this shrub often deter deer from browsing. However, in areas with high deer populations, it's always a good idea to use additional deterrents if you notice deer damage. How far apart to plant Sunshine Ligustrum? If you're planting multiple Sunshine Ligustrum shrubs, space them about 3 to 4 feet apart. This distance allows each plant enough room to grow and fill in without overcrowding, ensuring they have ample access to sunlight and nutrients. Is Sunshine Ligustrum invasive? Sunshine Ligustrum is not typically classified as invasive. It is a well-behaved shrub that doesn't spread aggressively. However, it's always wise to check with local guidelines and regulations, as some plants can become invasive in specific regions or conditions. What to plant with Sunshine Ligustrum? Sunshine Ligustrum pairs well with a variety of plants. Consider planting it alongside other shrubs with contrasting foliage colors, such as purple or red leaf varieties, to create visual interest. It also complements ornamental grasses and perennials like lavender or coneflowers. Why is my Sunshine Ligustrum losing leaves? If your Sunshine Ligustrum is losing leaves, it could be due to several factors. Common issues include improper watering, either too much or too little, poor soil drainage, or pest infestations. Check for signs of disease or pests, and adjust your watering practices to ensure the plant is receiving the appropriate amount of moisture. Can Sunshine Ligustrum be kept small? Yes, Sunshine Ligustrum can be kept small with regular pruning. By trimming it back each year, you can maintain its compact size and shape. This makes it a versatile choice for smaller gardens or container planting. Can Sunshine Ligustrum grow in shade? Sunshine Ligustrum prefers full sun to partial shade. While it can tolerate some shade, it thrives best in a location with plenty of sunlight. In shadier spots, the foliage may not be as vibrant and growth could be slower. Sunshine Ligustrum versus Lemon Lime Nandina. When comparing Sunshine Ligustrum to Lemon Lime Nandina, both are attractive shrubs with distinct characteristics. Sunshine Ligustrum features bright yellow-green foliage and a more compact growth habit, while lemon lime nandina has a citrus-like color range and a more upright growth form. Both are excellent choices for adding color to your garden, but your choice may depend on your specific design preferences and plant requirements. How to care for Sunshine Ligustrum. Caring for Sunshine Ligustrum involves regular watering, occasional pruning, and ensuring it gets enough sunlight. Mulching around the base can help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases, and address any issues promptly to keep your shrub healthy and thriving. Is Sunshine Ligustrum toxic? Sunshine Ligustrum is not considered toxic to humans or pets. However, it's always a good practice to avoid ingestion of plant parts, especially for pets that might chew on plants. By understanding these aspects of Sunshine Ligustrum, you'll be well equipped to make the most of this vibrant shrub in your garden. Whether you're looking for a colorful hedge or a striking focal point, Sunshine Ligustrum offers versatility and beauty with relatively low maintenance.